How to fix Windows error reporting event ID 1001. 1. Run memory test 2. Change virtual memory. /page file. 3. Delete/disable all tasks in the Customer Experience Improvement Program folder in Task Scheduler. Path: Task Scheduler Library, Microsoft Windows Customer Experience Program Improvement Program. 4. Disable automatic updates, turn off or pause automatic Windows update in Windows, or turn off automatic Windows update in Windows 8.1 and earlier versions. 5. Perform system restore or uninstall update.